Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am finally back with a video of something that I've been neglecting, which is crafting. And I wanted to come on and share. I am been so behind on hashtag deck the year. I am just going to continue from this point on. I hope, cross my fingers. Um, I think this week is 21, but I'm going to do 20. I'm going to do 20 and then 20. No, sorry. Last week was 21. So I'm starting with 21 and 22 for Deck the Year. And Deck the Year is hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. And I have her link down below. Um, I'm sure everybody knows who she is. She's been doing this open collaboration for, I don't know, is this your fourth year, Penny? Or is this your third year? Anyway, I did take part in last year and I did all 52 weeks. This year I fell short. I think the last one I did was week 9. Yeah, I have not been crafting all that much and I haven't even been coloring. So I'm hoping I'll get back into coloring um, with Rosemary. What is her hashtag now? Color and create with us, you rock art. Um, and I'm hoping. I am not sure. I just kind of, just stopped doing any kind of crafting whatsoever, not even coloring. I've been chatting with some friends, but we haven't really. Oh, and I'm supposed to be doing their challenge. I don't even know what week I stopped. Goodness gracious, I need to pick that up as well. So anyway, I am doing a large um, index card and I just laid down different color papers of different shades of blue. This one has glitter on it and this one looks very distressed. I've used this paper so many times. I have tons of it. Some blue polka dot, some book pages just to um, break up the harshness of the papers. And then I went through my ephemera and I found this really pretty, I don't even know what kind of flower this is, but or plant, but it was very, very pretty and I loved it. So I added that there. And then I found a love die cut in my stash. I added some of these gems from the what are these from Michael's? I think they were scatter. I don't know if they were scatter or if this was part of their glitter. I don't know. It was something. I bought it and um, I inked the edges, rounded the edges with my corner rounder. Yeah, and I kind of inked it a little bit. I didn't ink the ephemera piece because I wanted to keep it black and white and make the background stand out. So I really love how that turned out. And then for this week, I did um, a smaller index and I did the same thing. I added um, blues and black and this paper that says love. It kind of goes with the love on the front. Um, and then I added a vellum piece to this um, little card. And this is a journaling card. I had screwed up. I usually cover the back of the index card, but I messed up. So I thought I'd make a pocket and then add this so I could journal something if I was going to put this in a journal. I think that would be kind of cute. And then it just says, don't give up. This was the words from my friend Nada. And then this is a Dollar Tree sticker that says, I love you. So I just thought that went together pretty well. Yeah. So that is week 21 and then 22. I'm kind of skipping ahead, I guess. No, no. Last week was 21 and then this is 22. Oh my God. This part this week. Oh my gosh. I am just not used to doing these kind of videos. Oh well, anyway, so if you want to go check out Penny, I'll have her link down below. And I want to thank everybody for watching, commenting. Oh my gosh, people. Um, Thank you for commenting on my video. I just thought, coming on with a haul. Well, I know everybody loves hauls, so I thought it would be fun. So thanks again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.